Welcome back guys. Welcome to SSC coaching here. So look at here, rail and platform bridge. Okay. So here the length of train and that of platform are equal. Okay. They are talking about train and platform. So it comes under stationary length. So the formula is length of train plus length of platform divided by speed of train. Okay. So what I have mentioned here is the length of train and platform are equal. So length of train is equal to length of platform. Okay. If the speed of train is 90 km per hour, speed is 90 km per hour and crosses the platform in 1 minute. So it is like I am having a train here, I am having a platform here. So this length is equal. Okay. It is moving at 90 km per hour. It crosses the platform. It crosses the platform in 1 minute. 1 minute means it is 60 seconds. Okay. We are asked to find out the length of train. Okay. In meters, they have mentioned. So the formula used here is time is equal to length of train plus length of platform divided by speed of train. Here the length of train and platform are equal. So I am writing as length of train, length of platform writing as length of train divided by speed. Okay. So in how many seconds they will cross each other? In 1 minute the train crosses the platform. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay, here 2 into length of train, I am adding these two. Okay. What is speed of train? Speed of train is 90 km per hour. So they are asking in meter. So convert into meter per second. So into 5 by 18. So conversion, I told you in time and distance topic how to convert. Okay. Now just bring this value here. Okay. So you will be getting 60 into 90 into 5 by 18. I am bringing all this part here, values here. So is equal to 2 into length of train. Now do basic calculations. 9 2s are 9 10s are, 2 1s are 2 30s are. Okay. Again 2 1s are 2 15s are. So 150 into 5 you will be getting 750. That is the length of train. Okay. So your answer is 750 meter. Yeah, look at here. It is like rail crosses each other. A train of length 150 meter passes a pole in 15 seconds. Okay. And another train of the same length traveling in the opposite direction in 12 seconds. The speed of train is what? So look at the question carefully. What they are telling here is, we are having a train here. This train first crosses a pole. Train is 150 meter. It crosses a pole in 15 seconds. Okay. And the same train is crossing. After crossing the pole, it is crossing another train. It is crossing another train traveling in opposite direction. Another train traveling in opposite direction. The same train. First it was crossing a pole and then crossing another train. So it crosses in 12 seconds. It crosses another train in 12 seconds. They are asking what is the speed of second train. What is the speed of second train? So this is S1. We don't know the speed of first train also. We have to find the speed of second train. So first take this part. So it comes under stationary point. What formula can we use there? For stationary point, so time is equal to length of train divided by speed of train. Okay. Okay. Coming to second part, the same train is crossing another train. So here I can tell the formula used here is moving length. So time is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2 divided by here both the trains are moving divided by relative speed. Okay. Look at in which direction they are moving. They are moving in opposite direction. So speed is S1 plus S2. These are the formulas we are going to use. Okay. In first case, train length 150 meter. Okay. To cross a pole, it takes 15 seconds. Okay. So look at here. Time is equal to 15 seconds. Length of train is 150. Okay. And what is speed of train S1? We have to find out. Okay. Here 15 ones are 15 tens are. So speed of train 1 is 10 meter per second. Is that clear, ma? In the first point they have given length and they have given time. With this we can find the speed. So now the same train, it is moving. So speed here is 10 meter per second. So now train is moving at 10 meter per second. Train length is 150 meter. Okay. It crosses another train moving in opposite direction. Okay. At a speed in 12 seconds. Okay. So train 150 meter passes a pole in 15 seconds and another train of same length. What I have mentioned here is this two trains length are same. Length of train 1 and length of train 2 are same. Okay. And they are asking what is the speed of second train. Okay. So here they cross each other in 45 seconds. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. So length of train 1 and length of train 2 are equal. Okay. Length of train 1 is 150 meter. Okay. So 150 plus 150 divided by speed of train 1 is what? Speed of train 1 is 10. So 10 plus speed of train 2 we have to find out. This is plus, not 7. Okay. Now what happens? 12 is equal to 300 divided by 10 plus S2. 12 ones are 12. 25 times 300. Okay. Now just multiply here. 1 into 10 plus S2. You will be having 10 plus S2 is equal to 25. So here we are having 25 minus 10, you will be having 15 meter per second. So speed of train 2 is 15 meter per second. But what they have asked here, they have asked in terms of kilometer per hour. So what we got here is in terms of meter per second, 15 meter per second. How to convert to kilometer per hour? multiply by 18 by 5 meter per second to kilometer per hour multiply by 18 by 5. Okay. So, here 5 ones are 5 these are 3 into 18 you will be getting 54 kilometer per hour. So, your answer is 54 kilometer per hour. Look at here question number 5. We are having distance between two cities. Distance between two cities is 330 kilometer. So, here take this as city A and city B. So, the distance between two cities is 330 kilometer. Is that clear? Now, a train starts from A at 8 a.m. So, a train, let me take the train as P. It starts at 8 a.m. from A, okay, and the train is traveling towards B. Train traveling towards B at 60 kilometer per hour. So, speed is 60 kilometer per hour. Now, another train starts from B. Let me tell the train name is Q, and this train is moving towards A and it starts at 9 a.m. and it starts at 9 a.m. Okay. And this train moving towards A at a speed of 75 kilometer per hour. 75 kilometer per hour. So, at what time they are coming in opposite direction? So, definitely they will meet here. At what time they will meet? This is the meeting point. At what time they will cross each other or they will meet. Okay. So, what I said in the topic time, speed and distance, to find meeting time, the starting time should be same. I think same kind of sum we have solved in time, speed and distance. Okay. So, I told you to note down this point there. I am just writing here once again. To find the meeting time, starting time should be same. To find the meeting time, the starting time should be same. So, look at the starting time here. Here we are having 8 a.m. Here I am having 9 a.m. So, what can I do? Okay, I cannot change this timing, but what I can do means at 9 o'clock, I can just find this train is at which place. Okay, I cannot tell this train to start early, or I cannot tell this train to start late. The second train starts at 9 a.m. So, at that 9 a.m. we have to find where was the first train. The first train was moving at 60 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour, which means for 1 hour it has travelled 60 kilometer. Okay. So, now time is 8 o'clock. At 9 o'clock where it would be? Time gap is 1 hour. For 1 hour it crosses 60 kilometer. Okay. In 1 hour it crosses 60 kilometer. Okay. So, now okay, at 9 a.m. the train P is here. Okay. Now, what could be the distance between the two trains at 9 a.m. So, 330 minus 60 you will be getting 270. Now, the distance between the two trains P and Q is 270 kilometer. Okay. Now at 9 o'clock, train P is here, train Q is here, train P moving at 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. So two trains moving in opposite direction. So we have to find relative speed. Okay. First, find the meeting time. Meeting time is equal to distance between them divided by relative speed, since they are moving in opposite direction or same direction. Okay. We are having two speed. Okay. So distance is what? Distance between them is 270 kilometer divided by relative speed moving in opposite. So add 60 plus 75, you will be getting 135. 60 plus 75 is 135. So 135 one times, it 2 times 270. So time is 2 hours, which means after 2 hours the two trains cross each other or two trains meet. So when the train was starting? At 9 am. After 9 am, after 2 hours. So 9 plus 2, 11. Okay. So at 11 am the two trains meet. Is that clear? To find the meeting time, the starting time should be same. Okay. Is that clear? So look at here, second train starts at 9 am. So at that 9 am, find the position of first train, how much it has covered, okay, and then find the distance between them. Okay, super. So note this point here, we can see here. So here two trains start from station A and station B and travel towards each other at a speed of 50 kilometer and 60 kilometer respectively. So at the time of meeting, the second train has travelled 120 kilometer more than first train. Okay. So the distance between A and B, we are having two stations. Station A and station B. Okay. We are asked to find out the distance between the two stations. Okay. So two trains. Okay, they are moving towards each other. So let us take a train as P and Q. So train P moving in at a speed of 50 km per hour. Train Q moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. Okay. So at the time of meeting, if they are meeting in this point, means this train 2 has covered 120 kilometer more than first train. So that's more or less, the meaning of this is difference between them. Okay. So I can tell difference between the two trains, the difference between the distance is 120 kilometer. Difference between the distance is 120 kilometer. So what is distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So what is speed here? Speed here is 50. Okay. And here it is 60. So time taken, okay, time taken we can just find out. So write as t. So 60 into t. Okay. Train 2 difference 50 into the time taken, we just don't know. So meeting time, both the time taken would be same. That time we have to find out. So which is equal to 120. Okay. So here 60 minus 50, you will be getting 10t. 10t. This is not point here, 10. T equal to 120. So time taken for meeting is 12. So after 12 hours they will meet. So they ask, what they are asking here? They are asking the distance. Okay. So meeting time is equal to distance between them divided by relative speed. This meeting time is equal to distance between them divided by relative speed. Okay. So what is the meeting time here? Time is 12 hours is equal to distance between them we have to find out. What is the relative speed? They are moving in opposite direction. So which means 50 plus 60, 110. So distance is 12 into 110. 12 into 110 is 1320 kilometer. 12 into 110, 1320 kilometer. So here first point they have given here is second train has covered 120 kilometer more than first train. So here second train, so train covered 120 kilometer more than train 1 distance. So okay, what about here? This is train 1 distance. So train 2 distance. So D2 minus D1 is equal to 120. Okay. So instead of finding like this, it is like more less means it is just but difference. Okay. So D2 minus D1 is equal to 120. Okay. With this you can find the meeting time. Okay. So from this you can find the distance. We are having relative speed we are having and time we have found out. With this we can find the distance between them. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. We can just move on to next question here. Next we can see the concept. Here, look at Emma. This is one more type. For it first we can see the formula here and then we can try to solve it. Okay, here time taken by a first man to reach B. So it is like we are having two set of men. So from here A and here B. Here time taken by first man to reach B after meeting second man at C. Here we are having first man. The first man is travelling from A and is moving towards B. And second man is travelling from B and is coming towards A. So they are meeting at a point C here. They are meeting at a point C. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Time taken by first man to reach B after meeting second man at C is T1, which means the first man after meeting C. So from this point till he reaching B, the time is they are telling us T1. Okay. And time taken by second man to reach A, time taken by second man to reach A after meeting first man at C. So after meeting him, the time taken here is they are telling us T2. Okay. So first this man A is moving to C. Okay. And from that C he is taking T1 hours to reach B. Okay. Now second man from B he is coming to C. After meeting first man from C he is taking T2 hours to reach A. Okay. So now look at the relation. If you are getting a problem like this means, so here speed of first man which is S1 is equal to, divided by speed of second man S2 is equal to square root of T2 by T1. So this is the formula. S1 by S2 is equal to square root of T2 by T1. T2 by T1. So look at this concept and the formula here. So with this we can solve the problem here. Directly we can find. So look at here, two trains X and Y start from Jodhpur and Jaipur. Two trains. So this is Jodhpur and this is Jaipur. Okay. So two trains X and Y, they are starting. Okay. X is going to Jaipur, Y is coming to Jodhpur. Okay. After passing each other, so in this point they are crossing each other. After passing each other, they take 4 hours 48 minutes, which means X takes 4 hours 48 minutes to reach Jaipur, and Y takes, from this point he takes 3 hours 20 minutes to reach Jaipur and Jodhpur respectively. Okay. So this is T1, this is T2. Okay. So if X is moving at a speed of 45 km per hour, so this person is moving at a speed of 45 km per hour. What is the speed of Y? What is the speed of Y? So what formula we saw? S1 by S2, speed of first man divided by speed of second man, is equal to square root of T2 by T1. T2 by T1. Okay. What is S1 here? S1 is 45 km per hour. So 45 divided by S2, we have to find out speed of train Y is equal to square root of T2 is what? T2 is 4 hours, sorry, T2 is 3 hours 20 minutes. So 3 hours means 180 minutes. So 180 plus 20 minutes, which is 200 minutes here, divided by T1. What is T1 here? T1 is 4 hours 48 minutes. So 1 hour 60, 4 hours means 240. So 240 plus 48 minutes, you will be getting 288 minutes. Okay. So divided by 288. So just divide here, divide by 2 table, 200 times to 144 times. So here 45 by S2 is equal to square root of 100, 10, square root of 144, you are getting as 12. Okay. So here 5 2s are 5 9s are, 2 1s are 2 6s are. So S2 is 9 into 6, you will be getting 54 km per hour. You will be getting 54 km per hour. So look at this formula here. Speed of train 1, sorry, speed of first man S1 divided by speed of second man S2 is equal to square root of T2 by T1. So this is like direct substitution of formulas here. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.